So welcome to Paraphrasing Strategies. In our topic, we will have 6 strategies that we will learn how to use. This is the first one. So our first strategy is on using synonyms to paraphrase. The learning outcome for this video tutorial is that by the end of this lesson, you will be able to use synonyms when paraphrasing. Okay, so what we're going to do next is, first of all, let's know what are synonyms. So synonyms are words with the same or similar meaning. Examples like words like happy, cheerful, and merry, they have quite the same or similar meaning. And if it's like a negative word, maybe like sad, miserable, and heartbroken, they all refer to the similar kind of negative connotations. Okay, so now we're going to try and apply the use of synonyms to paraphrase a text. Here's an example text that I picked out for you. So we're going to just skim through the text very quickly to see what words you can possibly replace with another word of a similar meaning. I'm going to do the practice with you with the first paragraph, and you can try the other paragraphs on your own later. Okay, now we're going to try the first paragraph. I have selected 3 words for us to work on. The words are pledged, decisive, and issue. So when we are choosing a synonym to replace these words with, we must take into consideration the context of the topic and also the tone. So the tone here is showing that there is a sense of seriousness, and for example, issue is a negative connotation. So these are things that you need to consider when you are choosing the synonym. Here are some suggested synonyms that could be possibly used to replace these words. For example, pledged, we could replace them with vowed or promised. Before you replace them, always read the whole phrase or sentence again to make sure that it fits. For instance, if I'm using the word vowed to replace the word pledged, I should read the whole sentence again. Let's see if it sounds right. Malaysia, as ASEAN chair, has vowed to take decisive action. Okay, that kind of makes sense, right? Okay, then we've got the word decisive, which can be replaced with pivotal, key, or critical. So this shows a similar strength in assertiveness in relation to the context of the seriousness of the issue being discussed here. And also last is the word issue itself, which can be replaced with matter, problem, or maybe concern. You could say placing the matter at the forefront of its regional agenda, or placing the problem, or placing the concern. So it fits and it doesn't alter the meaning and the tone of the text. So these are some suggestions that you could use, but you could also be free to choose other words that you feel comfortable replacing with. Now it's time for you to level up. Let's try it yourself. I would strongly advise you to try the exercises in the module to get the hang of this. So that's all for this lesson, and I'll see you in the second video, which will explain the next strategy. Thank you.